The spouses of Edo State House of Assembly members Poham don't show support to the state government as them pay one courtesy visit to the Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Denis Idahosa, for Government House Benin City. The Spoham team, wey dey led by Madam Barbara Omozele Agbebaku, received warm welcome from the Deputy Governor. Madam Barbara Agbebaku Konyan say as women and wives of the honorable members of Edo State House of Assembly, dem dey do their small quarter with community outreach every year, and say dem also understand say unity and support na the key for governance and leadership.
Your Excellency, sir, it is with great humility and reverence that we, spouses of honorable members of Edo State House of Assembly, SPOHAM, are in your office today to introduce this great assemblage of the better halves of our erudite, dynamic, and strong legislators to you. This group of women, just as the present legislators, are intelligent, committed, and dynamic. The spouses are not left out. As it is said, beside every great man is a great woman. We are a group who, on a yearly basis, carry out different activities for the community. We also give our little quota to the community for development and growth. As women who understand the importance of unity, support, and shared purpose in the journey of governance and leadership, our presence here signifies the solidarity and strength behind the scenes, supporting our husbands, contributing to the community development, and promoting the welfare of our beloved states. SPOHAM, as a formidable group, has carried out various contributions to societal development, thus ensuring our husbands, who are the head of our families, are not left out, as we, the neck, turn them well. Your Excellency, sir, our visit here is to introduce ourselves and to let you know, sir, that the spouses of honorable members of the 8th Assembly are in support of our husbands and have also taken the courage to ensure we join in nation building, especially at the state level. Thank you, Your Excellency, for receiving us. We will continue to project not just our spouses, but also work behind and beside and around them to give our society the needed impact for socio-economic development and progress.
Honorable Denis Idahosa, for in part, salute them for their contribution and support to community development through their families and husbands. Talk say government no fit do everything alone. Say the kind love and encouragement them they show na big boost to the administration of Governor Monday Okpebholo. A constant talk say,
like you rightly said, behind every successful man, there is a woman. I've listened to the introduction from the wives of our honorable members, and it's clear that the vibrancy and contributions in the floor of the House were discussed in the House prior to the floor of the House. So let me thank you for all your contributions, for all your support, your commitment towards the nation building, starting from Edo State. I also want to thank your husband for what they have done so far to support this government. On behalf of the Executive Governor of Edo State, Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, I want to say thank you so much for this group, and we will do whatever it takes to give you all the necessary support. Let me use this medium to also tell you to send a warm regards to your husband in your various constituencies. And we are counting on you to support your husbands in supporting our constituents in our various constituencies, because the government alone cannot do much, but it's going to be a collective effort, starting from you, the wives of the honorable members representing various constituencies in Edo State. Once again, I thank you, and may God lead you back to your various destinations.
Madam Agbebaku, for her talk with Tori people after the meeting, reaffirmed their continued support for community development.
For the past a year plus or 2 years now, I and my very hardworking, elegant, and beautiful spouses, we've tried as much as possible to give back to the community in, well, you might call it minimal, but we've visited orphanage homes. Some of us personally, collectively, we've done one or two things in our constituencies, joint effort with our husbands, and we've done a lot, too numerous to count. We've reached out in very little ways that we've been able to, to do, and we hope us coming to meet with His Excellency today will also give a boost for us to do more, reach out more, and see how we can move the state forward.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojeisoli, TMC News.